JK Paper Q3 FY26 results, planned plant shutdowns and import pressure drag profit sharply. JK Paper delivered a weak Q3 FY26, with consolidated turnover coming in at 1,877.62 crore rupees, reflecting pressure from lower production and muted realizations. EBITDA stood at 195.87 crore rupees, while profit after tax declined sharply to 27.40 crore rupees, indicating significant margin stress during the quarter. The company's performance was adversely impacted by planned annual shutdowns at two major plants in Odisha and Gujarat, which reduced overall production volumes. At the same time, continued imports at low prices led to weaker sales realizations, further compressing operating profitability. Additional pressure came from sharp depreciation of the rupee against the euro, which increased finance costs and weighed on net profit. Management acknowledged these challenges but indicated that demand conditions have started improving, with some relief expected from easing input costs in the coming quarter. For the 9 months ended December 2025, JK Paper reported consolidated turnover of 5,532.84 crore rupees, EBITDA of 711.73 crore rupees, and PAT of 183.37 crore rupees. While cumulative performance remains stable, the sharp quarterly slowdown highlights near-term operational and margin risks. On the strategic front, the board approved a 500 crore rupee hybrid power project aimed at reducing long-term power costs and increasing sustainable green energy usage. This project aligns with the company's objective of lowering dependence on fossil fuels and improving cost efficiency over time. The company also received approval from the NCLT for its composite scheme of arrangement, which will consolidate its paper and packaging businesses. Management expects this restructuring to streamline operations, improve compliance efficiency, and enhance customer service capabilities. JK Paper has disclosed the financial impact of the new labor code as an exceptional item for the quarter, adding to reported profitability pressure. Shareholding trends show stable promoter holding at around 49.6%, while fee-and-D ownership has gradually increased over recent quarters. Rising institutional participation suggests continued long-term interest despite near-term earnings volatility. With operational disruptions easing and input costs expected to soften, do you believe JK Paper can deliver a meaningful margin recovery over the next 2 quarters, or will import pressure continue to cap profitability? If you found this breakdown useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and follow us for more detailed company result analysis.